Iya. Iya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Excellency Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM as Director of Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic Boarding School. The Excellency Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BAMAG as Director of Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic University. Honorable Ms. Wahyu Lestari MPD as the Dean of Faculty of General Education. Honorable Mr. Benny Hamdani as the Chief of English Education Department. Honorable Mr. Ferry Ferdianto as the Chairman of the PPLK Committee. Honorable Ms. Mahfiratul Hamdia MPD as my Supervisor Lecturer of PPLK at Mandua Probolinggo. Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Nabila from the English Language Learning Study Program, 7th semester. I want to present my article entitled Innovation in English Language Teaching, Fintech Technique for Learning Communicative Skill for Mandua Probolinggo student. Okay, next. Table of content. 1. Introduction. 2. Method. 3. Result and discuss. 4. Conclusion. Next slide. Introduction. Education is an effort to pass on values which will be a help and guide in living life, as well as to improve the faith and civilization of mankind. Big change for students always start from an innovation carried out by the smallest unit of education, namely teachers and schools. Teachers and schools need to carry out important learning innovation in facing world situations that continue to change according to the times. Then, language learning emphasizes the acquisition of 4 language skills. Therefore, skills are listening, speaking, reading, and writing skill. The 4 language skills are present in the great manner, but it is possible to emphasize one of the skill, for example, speaking, writing, and writing skill. In the current era, in globalization, mastery of English has become a very important skill for students. One innovative approach in learning English is the use of the fintech technique, which can improve students' communicative skill. Innovation in English language learning, especially to fintech technique, has significant urgency in the current educational context. Okay, next slide. Method. The type of research used in this research is a type of research and development. Define development research as a process used to development and validate product used in education. In this research used the AD model approach. As the name suggests, the stage in the AD model are analysis, design, develop, implementation, and evaluation. Okay, next, result and discussion. In the results of this research, the results are present from several parts, namely animate videos, making example using text for learning descriptive text in English subject, and making example of descriptive text. The development used in the research is using the idea development step. The design stage carried out by researchers include the analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation stage. Based on the result of the analysis, it can be that the learning carried out in Mandua Probolinggo was not as expanded. Therefore, researchers motivate to develop interesting learning media that can help students understanding descriptive text material in English subject. Because of this, video and text media are used to search for objects that are familiar to students. At this design stage, the researchers choose speaking material to process into material that will be developed using learning media in the form of animated video material about the descriptive text, which is considered suitable to be used animated video content to be developed. In the development stage, researchers are directly involved in the process of creating anime videos, which will be used as English learning media, especially for descriptive text material. Then, implementation stage was carried out by testing learning media in the form of animated video, descriptive text, English learning material. This trial was carried out option assessment, input, critique, and suggestion. Evaluation is carried out based on the result of trial involving students in small group and large group. At the end of the small group and the large group trial session, the research carried out an evaluation using several instruments. Okay, conclusion. That video and the past learning, especially through fintech technique, is effective in improving student communicate skill. The results show the understanding of the material research on 80% with very good student engagement of 19%. The use of video and text also reviews good rating, 80%. Innovation in learning involves animated video and descriptive text have been proven to increase student motivation, understanding, speaking, and writing skill. However, there is still room for improvement, especially in deepening understanding of the material. This research used the AD model and involves continuous evaluation and improve the quality of learning. From the student assessment animation video, it was taken that design had a positive response. The result of the effectiveness test show that this anime video is worthy of use, interesting is teaching the descriptive text in English subject. Okay, I think that is from me. And thank you. Wallahumma fiqh lakum mitorik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Omae wa mou